forget what happened as we're sitting here waiting for you. All this shit that you've put me through, I've been postponed and put on hold by you. Oh, just admit you were wrong, and we'll see this through. It'd fix the world if you would just complain. Oh, just take back what you said, at least for a while, just to quell the pain. So anchor me to sanity, 'cause I'm lonely in this room. So anchor me to sanity, 'cause I'm lost inside this world. We were built on angst and pain. These broken hearts told weightless lies. I know I can't change the world, but I'll try to fuck it up a little less this time. Oh, just admit you were wrong, and we'll see this through. It'd fix the world if you would just complain. Oh, just take back what you said, at least for a while, just to quell the pain. So anchor me to sanity, 'cause I'm lonely in this room. So anchor me to sanity, 'cause I'm lost inside this world. This is all I've waited for, this chance I know